Good evening, everyone. It is now 6:44 p.m. and today is Valentine's Day. And my boyfriend and I are gonna take the tram to Changi. We are taking NR 330 to Tai Leng Tou. We have arrived at Sha Tan Guang Chang, and we're now going to go to the restaurant. Gonna have dinner at this Little Mario's restaurant, and I think we're gonna. And we have the Chiang Mai Chao Bridge as our view. And this Chiang Mai Bridge was actually opened on 1997, April 27. It was opened by the former British Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher. For our Valentine's meal, we have this red wine and white wine. 呢個就係我哋嘅頭盤啊，炸蝦同埋沙律。呢個係個心形披薩，但係一啲都唔似個心，係咪14安士？而家9點鐘，呢個係我哋嘅甜品，呢個係紅棗子吉士塔。It is now 9:40 and my boyfriend is finishing up his steak. After he finishes his steak, we're gonna go up to a hill called Tai Leng Tou because it's only 69 meters. 我哋係全間餐廳最尾一個客人。食到飽到上啲心口喎，可能我哋上大嶺頭啦，你識唔識路啊？要睇地圖咯。咁你開咗地圖啦。And from the restaurant, go down and pass by this bridge. Then you will walk by this bus stop and we will need to turn left, and then we actually have to go up a hilly road with Chiang Mai Bridge behind us, and then we will reach the trigonometrical station for Tai Leng Tou. Yay! We have arrived at Tai Leng Tou. It is 69 meters, and I'm gonna see if I can fly my drone here. And apart from the Chiang Mai Bridge, we can also see a bridge called the Shui Men Bridge, as well as Ma Wan Si. Then from Tai Leng Tou, we are gonna go back down the way that we came up. So you can take this bus back to Chuan Wood Station. These are the bus timetables. The last one is at 11:30. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I'll see you all with another hiking vlog. Bye!